Well, aren't you gonna...
It's not my son.
What? What are you saying?
It's not my son.
Well, I'm sure you're mistaken.
I'm not mistaken.
Really?
They do not like it. They will do anything in their power to discredit you. I've seen it happen too many times to start going blind now. That's why I wanted to meet you, to let you know what you're getting yourself into, and to help you fight it, if you choose to.
Reverend, I appreciate everything that you're doing and everything that you said, but I'm not on a mission. I just want my son home.
Mrs. Collins, a lot of mother sons have been sacrificed to expediency around here. Your son, unfortunately, would not be the first, but if you do it right, he may very well be the last.
Can I make a phone call?
Phone privileges are earned by good behavior. You're not allowed newspapers, magazines, radio, books, or sharp objects. This is for your own good.
I'm perfectly sane, and I will explain that to them. Hell, the more you try to act sane, the crazier you start to look. If you smile too much, you're delusional, you're stifling hysteria. And if you don't smile, you're depressed. If you remain neutral, you're emotionally withdrawn, potentially catatonic. You've given this a lot of thought? Yeah, I have. Don't you get it? You're code 12, so am I. We're here for the exact same reasons. We both pissed off the cops. Now, you see that lady there? She's married to a cop who kept beating her up. When she tried to tell somebody about it, he brought her here. And that one? Police beat the crap out of her brother, broke both his arms. And she tried to tell the papers. And you? I, work nights. I mean, I work nights. Oh. Yeah, the clubs downtown, yeah. Well, this one client just kept hitting me and he wouldn't stop. So I filed a complaint, and turns out he was a cop. Next thing I know, I'm here. But they can't do that. Are you kidding? Everybody knows women are fragile. And they're all emotions, no logic. There's nothing going on upstairs. Every once in a while, they say something that's a little inconvenient. They just go fucking nuts. Pardon my French. If we're insane, nobody has to listen to us. I mean, who are you gonna believe? Some crazy woman trying to destroy the integrity of the force? Or a police officer? And once they get us in here, we either shut up and we learn to behave, or we don't go home. Or we go home like that.
Captain Jones.
Boys.
What the hell have you done with Christine Collins? And don't try and lie your way out of it, because several of her neighbors saw her being driven away in a police car.
Mrs. Collins has been placed in protective custody following a mental breakdown.
A what?
She's getting the best treatment available, and that will be all.
I want to talk to somebody in charge right now.
Please.
Who is in charge here?
I'm the head doctor on duty.
You're the doctor who locked up Christine Collins?
Oh, I'm sorry, sir. We don't discuss cases with anyone. Other than
Oh,
family.
you'll damn well discuss this one. Read it.
Sir.
Read it.
Christ.
Long's is not the original. No, it's not. Here's okay. And who is that Major's file or Larson?
Nurse, I want to see every piece of paper you have on the case of Mrs. Christine Collins, and I want to see it right now. Do you understand me? Every piece. When will she be coming out?
File a civil suit?
I went to the best attorney in town, a man who sued the city 4 times and won. Unfortunately, we can't afford to really hire him.
I see.
Which is why I'm doing this pro bono. It would be my honor to defend your honor, Mrs. Collins. In my 15 years as a lawyer, I have never seen anyone fight as long or as hard as you have, and what is so clearly in the cause of justice.
Thank you.
I'm sorry, the doctor in charge is...
Madam, let me
not
be
here until
clearer.
the morning.
Either you will produce the people named in that court order, or you will find yourself behind bars, and I mean without a key.
I can't authorize you.
Madam, stand aside.